Master any subject like a pro. I'll share with you the secret to mastering any subject like a pro in no time. Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to our channel. Ever felt like you're banging your head against the wall trying to get a grip on a subject you adore? Well, buckle up, because today's video is your golden ticket to smashing those barriers and skyrocketing to pro level in any arena you dare to tackle. First off, let's acknowledge the sheer joy and boundless opportunities that come with mastering a new skill. Imagine chatting away in a new language, strumming your favorite tune on the guitar, or becoming a wizard in your chosen career. Sounds awesome, right? But let's face the tough stuff head on, the roadblocks. Sometimes motivation wanes, resources seem scarce, and study tactics don't cut it. No worries though. We're here to arm you with killer strategies and morale boosts to leap over those hurdles. The game plan is simple yet powerful. Set crystal clear goals, carve out a consistent study routine, and embrace top-notch learning techniques. And remember, the magic ingredient is consistency. Keep at it, ask for help when you hit a snag, and watch your skills soar. Now, let's get inspired by success stories. We'll highlight individuals like Marie Curie and Albert Einstein who mastered their scientific fields using determination and innovative strategies. These learners, along with others we'll discuss, are proof that with persistence and the right methods, you can achieve greatness. Their achievements in science are inspiring examples for anyone aiming to excel in any subject. So, as we wrap up, remember, mastering a subject is an epic adventure in persistence, passion, and perpetual growth. By adopting the tips we've shared today, you're already on the path to greatness. What are you waiting for? All right, folks, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more brain-boosting content. And hey, we're eager to hear your mastery tales. Drop them in the comments below and let's inspire each other. Here's to taking the plunge into the vast ocean of knowledge. Dive in and make waves. Until next time.